So what's up and welcome back to another video. To become a really pro programmer in C programming, we have to go through a bunch of lessons now. So I will make them sure so I can just finish that today. So let's go if I can do that. So back to our path here. Let me maximize this time so we can see that. It doesn't cool that much, but no problem. We can just survive with this. So in this topic, we are gonna just see how to make a variable, which is very uh, cool topic. If you just okay. So does we have this? Yeah, we have a swap file. Okay, so now the officially tutorial has been started. So let's go to the main file. What the heck we have done here? I'm so sorry about this. We have did it in our previous lesson. Let me just delete this everything. So for doing that, let me delete our 15 lines. Okay. Let's delete some thing over 10 lines because that will work, and just delete like everything here. Okay, now how to make a variable. So you have to remember these two things here: initialize and declaration. So let's declare variable first. If we are using a variable, let's declare it. So first, let me do like int main and make it okay. Just from here, we know data types, right? Give me a second. I want to just switch off this. Okay, we are back. I'm sorry, I don't want to like edit this video for this one, but here. So we already know about data types, so I'm using like integer here. So int, and let's do it a. So we have declared a as an integer here. Now let's give this a value here. A equals to 10. Now we have to print this. Printf. Now for this, okay, yeah, let me just first write this. I'm not gonna like tell you like what is this. So and give it a new line, and then a here. Let me do return 0. So program successfully run, and then get out of this gcc main output. Now this is our third video, which is our variable, so I will do it. We are no errors here, and let's before running this, because we don't have errors, so let me go and explain you what is this. So here you are all familiar with this preprocessor and int main function, which is started. So here this is where we are declaring this our variable. So a is a variable which can hold some memory space and some values. So that value we have initialized it to 10. So now a is 10. You have to remember like this. So when I was coding in Python and in many languages there, when I was like learning C, so I was also learning side by side another languages. And what I want to like tell you here, if you want to declare something, so you have to use only single equals to, not like this. It doesn't mean like now it's not equal to 10. It will like check if a is equals to 10 or not. It's not like a is 10. Yeah, so that's the difference. So just keep it in mind and take a note of this if you are seriously taking notes. So now a is 10, then we are printing a. And this thing here, you will be like, what the heck is this? Like Okay, %d. So this is what we call format specifiers. So they are like this d. I use d for integers. You can also use I. Let's just use I because integer starts with I, and now you can just remember this I. So they are like many format specifiers, not just many. Like for character you use C, for floats you use F, and we will see in the furthermore videos. I don't want to make this video long. So and then return, and let's go back and compile it, and now we are going to run it. So for run, you have to just run like you run a binary file, and there you go. Now you have 10 here. So if I go back to my program and gonna change the value from 10 to 5, so you know what gonna be. So let me compile it and I'm gonna run it. Now it's 5. So that's it, and I will see you in the next video. So let me just click it up from here.